Just a quick checkout of my BnB. Just a quick look, because I've already spread out my stuff in here. These floors are beautiful. This is real wood. That's real wood right there. Real wood. I like the art. Let's get a quick look at the bedroom because my phone is very full. The bedroom have no light. There are 5 switches and none of them turn on the bedroom light. Well, the bedroom, oh, there we go. It's delayed. Oh, very cozy. Look at me. Yes. This blue is giving nautical. It's giving sea breeze. Pedestal sink. Another door leading somewhere. Ah, I didn't even wonder where the shower was. The nice rainforest shower head is bigger than it looks in my phone. My favorite flower is orchid. Who knew? All right, and then this is the closet. That's me. If you don't believe me that it's me. It's a quick tour because I'm tired. All right. Bye.